I apologize for my messy background. I'm working on a knitting project right now. Anyway, hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel. Or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoons sometimes. And today in this video, I'm going to do an updated tutorial on how to do a store review. So I made this video a couple years ago, but that video is really terrible quality. It's not very organized, so I'm redoing it, and I thought this would be fun to do. And if you didn't see my original tutorial on how to do a store review, I'll link it down below if you didn't see it. I'm really excited to redo this video now that I have a better editing system. So I'm gonna get started, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Step 1, pick a store.
So you can pick any store you like. I would suggest picking only chain stores just because they're all over the world and a lot of people know these stores. I wouldn't really pick any local stores in certain cities, only just because you don't really want to give out the name of your city and then people can easily find out where you live. So I would highly suggest only pick stores that are chain, like let's say Macy's, Ulta, or Sephora, or maybe Michael's or Joann's, because those are all chains and you can find them all over the world.
Step 2, give your opinion on why you liked or didn't like the store you picked.
So talking about why you like or don't like the store is super important, just because it gets people an idea of why you like or don't like the store. Like, here's an example. I like Michael's because I like that they have a good selection of yarn, needles, and other crafts, and I love their customer service and their very friendly employees. You can also say you don't like the store, and it's okay if you don't like the store because everybody has different opinions on stores. I mean, it's like Macy's, for example. I don't like Macy's because I don't really like their snobby customer service. That's personally just me. So you can give any opinion of why you like or don't like a store. You can say you don't like the store because everything's so overpriced. You can say you like the store despite the fact it's a little pricey, blah, 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 blah. You can say also, I like the store because they've got good selections, yada, yada, yada. You can say all that stuff. Don't be afraid to give your opinion. Everybody has different opinions of why they like or don't like stores.
Step 3, talk about your experience with the customer service and the employees at the store.
So talking about the customer service when it comes to a store is super important. Sorry, I almost said store and I meant to say store. Excuse me. Because that gives people an idea of if they want to shop at that certain store or not. So you always should talk about your experience. I mean, everybody has different experience when it comes to like the customer service. Like a lot of people don't like certain stores because of the bad customer service, or because their customer service isn't very organized, or some people like stores mostly because of the good customer service and stuff like that. So the customer service is just really important because it helps people to know if the place that you shop at has good customer service or not, because it gets them an idea if they want to shop there. And it's okay to talk about if your experiences. I mean, like I said, everybody has different experiences when it comes to shopping at stores.
Step 4, talk about where the store is available.
So talking about where the store is available is a really good thing to do. Like you can say multiple states you've seen this store at. You can say multiple cities you've seen this store at. So it's really good to say this because there are a lot of people that want to know where the store you go to is at. And they want to know if they like have it in their state or if they have it in their city. So I highly recommend you just say where the different places you've been to this certain store at. Like let's say Macy's. Like I know there's a Macy's in Walnut Creek and Pleasant Hill. And like Joann's, I know there's a Joann's in Concord. And then Michael's, I know there's a Michael's in Pleasant Hill. Just say where you found these stores, and it gets people an idea of where they can go. Or if you've only been to like certain locations, just say those certain locations you've been to. I mean, it's okay if you don't know what other places have these stores, but it's just always good just in case people want to go shop there and they live close to this area, a certain area. Like let's say Phoenix has a Michael's or something, like Phoenix, Arizona has a Michael's, like that, any of that stuff.
Step 5, talk about who you would recommend the store to.
So the final step when it comes to doing a store review is talk about who you would recommend the store to, like, because this is good because then it gets people wanting to shop there. Like for instance, I recommend Joann's, excuse me. Sorry, I had a tickle in my throat. Anyway, I would recommend Joann's to anybody who likes crafting, knitting, crocheting, or any other crafts besides knitting or crocheting, because they have a lot of selections of crafts and knitting and yarn supplies for knitters and crocheters. And I also recommend Joann's for good customer service. And I also recommend it because it's the most convenient store because they have tons of supplies all over the store, yada, yada, yada. They are always big in bulk, pretty much almost on their supplies. So I would highly recommend that. I would just, yeah. Excuse me, my tongue is twisted. I would just say exactly why you would recommend the store, or because that gets people an idea of if they should shop there. Or you can also say why you don't recommend a store. It's totally okay, because that also gets people an idea if they want to shop there or not, because whether it's bad customer service or bad or not, the store not being organized, this, that, you can say all of those things. I mean, it's okay to give your opinion on why you think people should shop there or why you recommend the store. So it's okay to give your opinion on why you think people should shop at a store and why you think people shouldn't shop at the store. Everybody's different and it's totally fine. So that was my updated tutorial on how to do a store review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!